How to convert an image to a PDF file on your PC. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet and this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe, okay? So, to convert, you can open any browser. I'm going to open Google Chrome here, but you don't need to download anything, okay? On Google, type image to PDF. Hit search. The first site that comes up is I Love PDF. It's completely free. You can click on it. It's really quick. Now here, you'll select the image you want to convert to PDF. Choose the image. I want to convert this image here from the desktop, so I'm going to select the image, click to open it, and the image will be loaded here, guys. Here you choose whether you want it in portrait or landscape format, okay? You can also choose the paper size, but I'll just leave it as it is and simply click here to convert. As you can see, you can reduce the size, make it large, or even have no margin at all, which is how I'm going to leave it. I'm going to click to convert. It's really quick, converting the image. Done. It's already converted. Now here I'll click to download the PDF. It's already downloaded up here, guys. As you can see, the PDF file, I'll click on it. I just converted an image to a PDF file here on the PC, completely free, okay? If I helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.